Good morning, welcome to Spy Money. Today is Thursday, August the 1st. And what do we have today is the Ninja Suite. And I'm going to show you some trades that we did today. Go ahead and get started on that. Today, I did 4 contracts today. This bot was untouched. There was one thing that I forgot to do, is turn it off when the news hit. And just so you know, I make mistakes too. So we had a loss right here, and then it immediately had a win right here. I was lucky. Just to be quite honest, I was lucky on this. So the problem is the news. We don't like to trade, but let it run. I still come out of it. As far as all of the trades today, there's 1 winner, 2 winners, 3 winners, 4 winners, 5, 6 winners. So I've got 6 winners and 1 loser. And this right here, both of these, I would not have traded. I wouldn't have done it because of the news. And it's my fault that I left it on and I wasn't paying attention. So yes, I make mistakes too. But it is a profitable day. I run 4 contracts. It's 3,900. That's almost 100% win rate, or not win rate, but 100% profit based on the trade. So we cost $4,000 to trade, and here we are. I've got it paused now. I'm done, and I'm not going to run it anymore. And we have some features talking about this 4261. I go over all this in our training to explain what that is and when you should use that to trade and so forth. But we are at $3,900, so it's a pretty good deal. And if we go back in, how do you get started on this? Now, one thing I will mention: this is CoasterBot. It is a pre-made template. Only thing you have to do is load the bot, load the template, adjust your contracts, put it on the account you want, and let it go. Now, there are some rules to it, which basically these numbers are the rules. And once you understand what those numbers are, then it's pretty simple to trade and make it real simple. I'm incorporating this rule into the bot, and I'm working on it now. So once I get this in, it will be much easier to kind of let it run on its own, because it will know what these rules mean and go from there. That's coming hopefully today. I thought I had it yesterday, but it's a little glitch. So we'll get that on, and it'll make it a lot easier for the people that don't have time to watch and don't really have much trading experience. So this bot right here does it for you, and it's very good, very successful. I make money with it every day. And so let's get into how you can get started. Go to SpyMoneyLSC.com. You click up here at the Ninja Suite. When you click on that, you'll scroll down a little bit. There's a little video here that plays for you to explain a lot. And when you come down here, there are some rules that we go by. This is a binding contract. I need you to read through this. If you agree to it, then what you do is you start right up here and left click and drag down to this, right click it, copy, and then you come up to the contact us. Put in your first, last name, email, phone number, right click, and paste. Now, make sure you understand this before you do it, but you will not get a link to join until you agree to this. That's just part of join the Ninja Suite. So once you go in, scroll down here to the bottom, there's some facts and questions. I have a lot of indicators that come with this that you can use. I also have a lot of bots. Our main bot we use is a CoasterBot. There's only one bot that you need to learn, and that's that. And it takes all of 10-15 minutes to learn how to use that bot. It's not hard. Basically, you load the bot, you load the template, put how many contracts, what account, start it, and it trades. Basically it. Frequently asked questions, a lot of different things through here. One thing I get often asked is the free trial. I do not offer free trials. Our system is basically For the trader that is serious, we're not looking to try to load up our membership or anything like that. I keep the membership small. We do have people leave during the month, and that's fine. The trading is not for everybody. It actually works if you put forth the effort to learn a little bit about it, and the coaster does, really not much to learn with it. So no discounts or anything like that. Read through this. You can cancel anytime. There is a 30-day lease. We don't prorate them or anything like that. There's no week trial or none of that. I don't do that. If you're looking for that, we're not the company. We have proven strategies that work. We have a lot of people that post profits every day. Again, not everybody's going to win, and the reason being is because they're usually not rule followers. If you're a rule follower, you should do pretty good. Read through that. If you have any questions, let me know. Also, we have 4 funded accounts we recommend. So any of these 4 will work. You can use the coupons down here for it and get a discount. Whatever discount that they are offering, we have at least that, sometimes a better discount. So a lot of people use the Apex because the 20 accounts, BluSky and Take Profit. These are the 3 that most people use. I would say probably more people use Apex than any of them. And just use the coupon code and it'll work for you. If you have any questions, let me know. Again, we'll go back. Let's look here. So here's something that if you would have moved your Take Profit, there's a lot more profit there, but we have found that if you take the profit at these places, just like this one here, if you had not have taken profit there, then you would have got stopped out. So we do averages, and we look at the average on this particular bar, how much profit can we get, and we do it based on a filter of the wildfire. So the wildfire, if it's green, it will allow the trade. If it's not, it won't. So it works really well. Again, we're selling off right here. We come back and look. You can see this is the only time I've traded. Turned it on, what's that, 7? So I turned it on probably about, I turned it on right after here because this one missed the entry, but I knew that it was going up, so I manually entered right there. So let's just get that out in the open. I don't want to get false advertising. This one right here, the entry would have actually been here and taken profit, but I saw that the way it was running based on our rules, and I went ahead and manually entered there, and then I let the bot take over. So I forgot about that. So I want to make sure you all are aware of that. The rest of them, the bot entered and exited on its own, and brought up to just shy of 100% profit. 4 contracts, $3,900. I don't know anybody that would be hurting not to make $3,900 in a day. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'd be happy to get you started. A lot of people ask how, from the time you sign up for the time you can have the bot running. If you're used to using NinjaTrader itself is a learning curve. So if you haven't used that, then there is a learning curve there. But if you know how to use NinjaTrader, one guy last week signed up and he was up and running within 1 hour and trading. So it just depends on the user. Within a couple hours, usually same day, you can get going if you're used to using NinjaTrader. If you're not used to NinjaTrader, you've got to learn that too. We have videos to teach you how to do that, but for the most part, it seems like most people that have never used NinjaTrader is 2 or 3 weeks because NinjaTrader is a little difficult for some people. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.